first full-size wired controller approved by Apple for lightning-connected iOS devices that has L3 and R3 fire buttons on its joysticks. And it's hardwired to your iOS device, so there's none of the low latency issues mobile gamers fear with Bluetooth controllers. Not to mention, having a fully featured controller that's hand-sized means you're more in control throughout the game. And they collaborated with Ludo Map, a companion app that has thousands of games for iOS devices. Ludo Map was designed and built by gamers for gamers, gathering all of the known titles into one app and sorting them into various search categories and charts, as well as sharing gameplay hints and tips. But it's not just games. There are many other apps on Ludo Map that allow the Rotor Riot controller to control drones like the Rise Tello, DJI Spark, and TL1, plus many more, allowing precise and lower latency control. So if you want to take your mobile gaming and drone flying to the next level, you need to check out the Rotor Riot controller.